If we're being honest, the default WordPress registration form is not the most stylish. So if you want to make your website look more professional and more user-friendly, a custom registration form is definitely a must. And the best part? You can do it in just a few simple steps. Hi everyone, I'm Carmen, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a custom registration form for your WordPress website without the complicated lines of code. Curious how that's possible? Make sure to follow along. For this tutorial, we are going to use the Pro version of the Profile Builder plugin. Now, you can still use the free version of the plugin for a lot of the customizations options in this video, but getting a paid license will give you full access to all the customization features available. I leave the link to the official website in the description, so if you don't have the plugin already installed, return once you're ready. Let's now create the registration form before we even start customizing it, and trust me, this part is super easy. There are several ways to create a registration form using Profile Builder, but today I'll show you the fastest method. In just 3 steps, your form will be ready to go. First, create a new page in WordPress and give it a name. I'll call mine Register for now. Next, add the register block inside the page editor. Here, you have the option to select the dedicated form that you want to be displayed on your website, in case you have multiple, and even choose which page you want to redirect the users once they register or after they log out. Finally, hit publish and you're done. Your form is now live. Pretty simple, right? But let's take it a step further and customize it to match your website style. Now that we have a form, let's make it look amazing. To do this, go to Profile Builder, Settings, and under the Design and User Experience section, you'll see a variety of styles to choose from. Simply pick the one that fits your website's look. This time, let's go with the last one. After choosing the preferred style that better suits your website, you can also customize the color of your form by using the integrated color switcher. To do so, let's quickly go to Advanced Settings. Next to the color switcher option, let's click Enable. Here, you can input the exact color codes for each part of your form. Don't forget to click Save Changes once you are ready. Now, your registration form will perfectly match your website's branding. By default, the form includes basic fields, like name, email, or password, for example. But what if you need more details from your users? No problem. You can add custom fields to collect as much information as you need. Let's quickly go to the Form Fields section. Here, you can find all the current fields that you have implemented. To add more, let's select an option from the drop-down menu. In this situation, since we have a marketing agency that also provides resources for professionals or freelancers, let's add a new field where members can leave their phone numbers for further updates. And also, let's add a GDPR checkbox so we can get their consent on data collection. After you add all the extra fields that you want to display on the front end, you also have the option to reorder fields in the desired positions with the drag and drop feature. And as you can see, your registration form was automatically updated with your extra fields. By default, WordPress shows the admin bar to all logged in users. But sometimes you might not want everyone to be able to see it. Good news is that you can customize it for each and every user role that you have on your website. The setting is located under Settings, General Settings, and here you will have a section called Hide Admin Bar for user roles. Here you can manually choose each and every user role that you do not want to be able to see it. In my case, I will add the members. After you have decided the desired user roles, click on Save Changes. And done! Now only the right people will have access to the admin bar. One of the main things that you do not want to encounter when it comes to managing your user profiles is getting bots or spam accounts. But don't worry, You can avoid that very easily by making them confirm their email addresses. To enable the confirmation feature, all you have to do is stay on the same General Settings tab where we were previously. Enable the email confirmation option and select the page where you want the users to be redirected to once they confirm. Generally, you either want to create a dedicated confirmation page or send them directly to their account. In this case, I will choose the second option. Make sure to click the Save Changes button once again. These are just a few examples of customization that you can implement. Another cool thing you can do is add multiple front-end user registration forms with different form fields for certain user roles. Let's say you have a sign-up form for your clients and a different one for your collaborators. You can also enable two-factor authentication and set up password security requirements to ensure your users' safety. One thing is for sure, the possibilities are endless. So if you're looking for even more customization settings for your registration form, make sure to visit our dedicated documentation page. I'll leave a link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for even more WordPress tips. Got any questions? Please feel free to leave them down below in the comments, and I will do my best to help. See you soon!